are the top 5 scariest bird sounds in the world. And the last one is absolutely terrifying. Comment below which one you've heard before. But first, you'll have incredible luck if you like and subscribe to my channel before this video ends. First is barn owl. Bro, it sounds like a woman screaming. Next is the lyrebird. Dude, it sounds like a clown's laugh. It's so terrifying. Next is the kookaburra. Bro, it sounds like something out of a horror movie. It's so terrifying. Next is the loon. What is that sound? It's so scary. The last one is the kiwi bird. Dude, that scream is so terrifying.